Ayan, hello mga beautiful people, kumusta na po? How is everyone? So, ito na po ang part 2 po ng first video natin. So, paano po gagamitin ang Zhiyun Smooth Q3. Ayan, ikutin lang po siya. Madali lang po siyang gamitin, guys. Okay. Loosen vertical arm screw counterclockwise. Ayan. Ito yung knob niya. And then, you should have to hear a click sound dito po. Ayan. And then, tighten the knob. Okay. And then, pag nakikita nyo yan, you have to rotate the tilt axis arm along with the outer edge. Yan po para gagalaw po pag linagay ang camera. Okay. Ayan. So, we have to put the camera. The camera should be on the left side. Okay, extend the phone clamp and put the phone into the phone clamp. Make sure the phone camera is on the outer side of the clamp. Ayan, medyo hindi pa expert sa paglagay ng camera. But anyway, let's go on. Okay, next, ito po yung power button. Press and hold for 3 seconds on the power on and off. Ayan, kung napansin nyo, umikot pataas po yung camera. And then, trigger button, triple press to switch between landscape mode and portrait mode. Okay, ayan. And then, we have to go brightness switch. Single press to adjust brightness and 3 levels. And then, pag on and off, you have to press and hold for 1.5 seconds. Okay, nasa mode button po tayo. So, first light is pan follow mode, PF. The tilt and the roll axis motors are locked and the pan axis follows the movement of the stabilizer handle. Second light, lock mode or the L. The 3 motors are all locked and won't follow the movement of the stabilizer handle. Ayan po siya. And the third light is follow mode or the F. The roll axis motor is locked and the tilt axis and the pan axis motor follow the movement of the stabilizer handle. Ayan. Okay. And the fourth light is the POV or the point of view mode. The 3 motors all follows the movement of the stabilizer handle. Okay, so if you're using the 4 light mode, you can push the joystick up and down and left and right to control the tilt axis and the pan axis. Okay, so easy lang po ba na gamitin? I think it is right. Okay, so let's move on po sa joystick. Ito din madali din siya. So, pag down yung, pagpapaba po yung joystick mo, pataas yung phone. Okay, so pag pataas mo pindutin, pababa din yung phone mo. Ganun din pag sa right side, pa left side yung phone mo. Parang pabaliktad lang sila. Anong tawag doon? Pataliwas ba yun? So pag sa left side ang pindutin mo, yung phone mo is going to the right side. Ayan. So para siyang pabaliktad lang siya. Ayan. Okay, so ibalik lang natin konti lang. Ayan, parang naglalaro lang, no? Okay, so next po is punta po tayo sa App Store or Google Play and then magda-download po tayo ng ZY Cami. Okay, ito po. Ayan, Play Store and then search mo lang yung Zhiyun Cami. Ayan. And then, i-download mo siya. So, pag naka-download, open mo lang siya. Ayan. Turn on the Bluetooth of your cell phone. Open ZY Cam and connect your phone to Smooth Q3 via Bluetooth. Okay. So, iyan. Gamitin natin yan mamaya, no? Ayan. So, mag-open na siya. Ganyan po yan. Balikan natin mamaya ang ZY Cam. Punta muna tayo sa Zoom Rocker. Okay. Okay. Check natin yung zoom natin. Ayan. Pagpalapit, tingnan natin kung ilang. Ayan, so 8 times po siya. Ayan. Para makikita natin yung malayo, no? Okay. So, okay naman po yung zoom rocker niya. Okay, balik na tayo sa ZY camera. So, punta na tayo ulit sa photo and video button. Okay, so ayusin lang muna natin to. Ayan, saglit lang po. Okay, so ang unahin natin is video muna. Okay, single press to take photo or film videos. Ayan, so nakikita po ba niyo? Nagre-record na po siya. Ayan. Make sure na connected yung ZY Cami at saka yung Q3. Ayan. Okay, so move on tayo sa photos. Ayan, ayan. So, single press to take photos and film videos. So, the same lang kung kukuha ka rin ng video. Ayan, so dito tayo sa photos. Ayan. Click mo lang siya. Now, check natin kung meron nga nag-register yung yung picture natin. Ayan. So, meron nga siya. Okay, so let's go to press 3 times to switch from front to rear camera. Ayan. So, kitang-kita nga yung mukha ko dito. Saying hi. Hi guys. Ayan. So, ganyan po siya. So, using your joystick, pwede mo siyang iikot na ganyan. Ayan. Pwedeng up and down din, left and right, ganyan. Okay. Single press to take photos and film videos. So, same process as we did earlier. So, ganyan lang po. Okay. Kuha tayo ng picture, ha? 2. Ayan. Tignan natin. Check lang natin kung meron ulit. Ayun. Ayan. So, meron. Okay, back. Double press to switch photo and video mode. Single press to take photos and film videos. Ayan. So, nakukuha po yung video natin. Ayan. I guess that's all. So, I hope you like it po. Ayan. Turn off lang muna natin tong stabilizer natin. Ito sa likod ulit. Press and hold for 3 seconds for power on and off. Ayan. Turn it off. Okay. So, tanggalin lang yung phone carefully. And then, yan lang po. At saka pala, ito. Saglit lang po. Ayan. Ganyan po. And then, ito. Loosen the knob again. And then, ganun lang. Para, magandang ibalik sa niya. Sa case niya. And then, huwag kalimutan po na ibalik din yun. Ayan. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And see you po sa next na videos. Bye!